What's the meaning of academic year? Academic year. Academic year. Academic year. Academic year. Academic year. The academic year is the period of time when students attend school or university. It typically begins in September and ends in June, although there may be some variation depending on the location and institution. The academic year is divided into semesters, trimesters, or quarters, and each semester or trimester typically consists of 15 to 18 weeks of instruction. Students are expected to complete a certain number of credits each semester or trimester in order to progress to the next level. The academic year is a time for students to learn new material, develop their skills, and prepare for their future careers.